my teacher told us to come home and write a story about our people's the Hmong culture and heritage. Uh, can you tell me what is Hmong?
That is such an easy question. What is I? I is Hmong.
Hmong is I? I is Hmong? Grandpa, I don't understand.
Come, Jimmy. Don't take the rock me to your body. Now, in order to tell you what is Hmong, I have to start the story when I was your age or a little bit older. It was like today, like any other day. Your grandma and I would come along in a line. When suddenly,
Wait, what's that noise? I don't know. It's getting closer. Oh my God. Honey, come on. We have to go home now.
What about the parents?
We'll get them later. Come on. Grandpa. And so how did you know that the Infinities are coming?
Jimmy boy, the Vietnam started since 1955. When I was your age, or a little bit younger. Now, we were recruited for the CIA of the United States of America. We were recruited in secret.
Yeah, I heard about that. Yeah, didn't we were recruited as the Special Guerrilla Unit? Is that correct?
Yes,
The SGU.
yes, STU.
Wow, that's actually pretty interesting, Grandpa.
Yes, it's very interesting.
And then what happened next?
Now, when the Vietnamese came to raid our country, our village actually, we, as you knew, as your grandpas and I, had to flee our village and fled to the jungles of Vietnam, where it is safest. But even in this jungle, we were hunted like we were not even humans.
Sorry, Mom. Good morning. It's good. I just don't want to know what it is. I know the whole stuff to save my people. Don't worry. I understand. We have been running for a few months now. I know. But don't worry. We're almost to the border of China. It should just be a few more days of travel for us. We will all get through this nightmare together. My wife is sick.
and we don't have anything to care for her. Sometimes I just think this is all God's test.
Go and get some rest, okay? But listen to me. We cannot let the others have it. We have to be strong and we have to be positive. Okay? I'm gonna go and take care of the perimeters. Please take care of the perimeters.
Please be careful.
I know. I'll work with it. Don't worry. I'll be back with something.
That was the last moment when I spent your time with your grandma.
And why is that, Grandpa?
War is not a good thing, Jimmy. Any moment can be your last. We do not know when we sleep at night. Will we be in the same place?
Wow, Grandpa? I never knew that the Vietnamese, like, why are the Vietnamese so evil? Hey, Grandpa! Where you at? I thought that we're in the garden. Grandpa, I'm not finished with my question yet. So, you tell me that the Vietnamese come and raid you guys at night? You know, why are they so evil?
That is what I used to think myself. But it is not the Vietnamese people. It is the people with great power. Only the most people with great power. They choose to do the bad things with them. Do you understand?
Yes, I do get a little taste of the Hmong history. Well, Grandpa, is that What happened next? I want to know more.
The Mekong River. I will never forget that night when we had to cross the Mekong River to get to Thailand.
Thank you, everybody. That was our little skit about our little vision. Yes, that was our skit about the vision for our history about the Vietnam War. There is so many more to it, but like I said, we want to make a short skit about this. So I hope and I really hope that you all enjoy the skit. And if you have any questions about the skit, about our plays, about the Hmong Acting Club, our booth is right over here, all the way to the end. We are more than welcome to address any questions that you guys have. And once again, thank you so much. I'm sure.